Island. Matt, welcome to Dr. Radio.
Yeah, I wanted to go back to what you guys were talking about before with the sugar and the drinks and the sodas and everything.
Yeah, absolutely.
A couple months ago, I kind of detoxed myself. I noticed that my two kids, Jeff and Missy, that they were fighting a lot. And I just made a decision that we were all going to get off the caffeine and the sugar. And I even got off the alcohol. I was turning into a bit of an Irish alky, like with my drinking. So I got off the alcohol, and it's amazing the difference I have now. Like, I have so much more energy. There was like a big detox like the first couple days, like getting off the caffeine especially. But I even noticed like in Jeff and Missy, like they're a lot calmer. They get along a lot better with each other. And I'd recommend it to everybody. It really worked out for all of us.
Yeah, I think, Matt, part of what we're trying to, get people to think about and talk about is making those choices for yourself. If we can throw the information out there, people can make decisions. Now, for some people, it's about totally avoiding these things. And for other people, it's about moderation. And people just, what concerns me more than anything is this, overboard, and I don't want to say abuse, but it really is. It's like sugar abuse. It's like calorie abuse.
I still have my things I have to have every once in a while. Like I love my bowls of Count Chocula that I have to eat like every once in a while.
Lucky Charm.
You're on the phone with a grown-up who eats Count Chocula. I love it.
I mean, I got to mix in the Count Chocula.
I didn't know they still made Count Chocula.
Yeah, they make it. They still got the Fruit Brute, Count Chocula.
What was the Blueberry they used to have?
Blueberry, yeah. Blueberries.
Do you remember that there was that cereal they had for a very short period of time called Freakies? There was another weird...
Wow.
Have you ever tried that Solera O's?
No, I've never seen that.
Yeah, those ones too. They had.
I was a big fan of Fruit Loops growing up. So sugary.
There's a lot of different... sugared cereals is another thing that's a little much.
I still keep them away from Jeff and Missy because they were arguing too much with it. But I keep them on the healthy stuff.
There's something to this idea of, I think about when I drink a bunch of caffeine, which I do. I love coffee. And then, 4 hours later, I'm sleepy again, right? Or you eat something that's very sugary, and you sort of have this high that comes on, and then you're down again. So you sort of have these highs and these lows. There's something interesting about removing all of that and sort of having a smooth, steady, even keel about you.
There's definitely a vicious cycle when you get used to these products. Listen, my sister has her kids eat a very, very, very healthy diet. My children eat pretty healthy, but she's like, a maniac about it. We make fun of her. I joke that I'm going to take her kid when I'm going to kidnap him and bring him to White Castle. But it's, everyone has to make the choices for themselves. We'll throw the information out there. It sounds like, Matt, this is, with the exception of your Count Chocula binges, things are working out great for you. So hopefully people can, use you as an example.
What?
Hopefully people will use you as a healthy example and kind of reduce some of the sugar in their lives.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not an Irish alky anymore. Like I said, I just have the Count Chocula, and that's all I really need just to keep me going every once in a while. But